Advanced Revenue Management reports designed for revenue recognition, billing, foreign currency adjustments, and revenue reclassification. This is the last video in my Advanced Revenue Management series, and it's around reports, the last section of the reports. Right, and so let's go have a look at this. Deferred Revenue Reclassification Activity Report. The Deferred Revenue Reclassification Activity Report shows a detailed log of all related revenue transactions, including billing transactions, revenue recognition journal entries, billing amount allocation journal entries, foreign currency gain/loss adjustments, unbilled receivable adjustments. Use this report to reconcile deferred revenue and unbilled receivable balances on the balance sheet from the prior month value to the current month value. The report shows the activities that created the current account balances. The sum of all amounts for an account on this report equals the amount on the balance sheet for that date. Okay, so this is a really important report, and so here you can see reclassification activity report. Right, so you can see transaction types. We've got bills, revenue recognition, unbilled receivable. I haven't actually done the currency recalculation, so that's not there, but this should give you a very good idea. You see here you've got your revenue arrangements. There's the amounts. So that is your deferred revenue reclassification report. And then you have your deferred revenue reclassification, which is the second one here, right? Use this report to audit the reclassification activities shown in the deferred revenue reclassification activity report. It provides detailed information about how the reclassification journal entries amounts are calculated for each order line. You can also use this report to forecast the recognition periods for current outstanding deferred revenue balances. When you run this report, NetSuite stores a snapshot of the values in the accounts. You must run the reclassification report process before you run the report to get the latest status for the period. Report results are grouped by customer, revenue arrangement, and an individual revenue element. You can filter this report for a range of transactions, date, and select the effective date for the transaction report results. Okay, so there are your last two reports, and as you can see, this is extremely detailed. Right, I've not actually used all of those in this specific subsidiary. But yeah, these are two very, very handy reports indeed.